The most powerful prayer is to pray for all things. Do you realize your time in prayer and meditation contributes to the unfoldment of humanity and to the advancement of all our fates towards the highest possible good? This is a way you can assist the planet. You are desperately needed. To uplift the consciousness of all humanity, use the power of affirmative prayer with a quirky focus that may surprise you. I pray for and with everyone and everything. Each day, speak the following prayer aloud, then expand your energetic heart. I pray for and with everyone and everything. I pray for the unity of all things. I need not beg for certain scenarios to occur or situations and circumstances to be as I think they should be. I hold everything in the light. And I send blessings far and wide. I connect with the source of my strength and pour my love into all that is. Envision the planet enfolded in a blue mantle of peace. Sit quietly in meditation, powerful and content, radiating eternal bliss. Thank you for blessing all life.